Before tomorrow, Angel says congratulations. After seeing this video, you will receive good news at 6:30 a.m. and have consecutive victories, healing, progress, and unexpected benefits. Spiritual insight and financial independence. This will be a week of breakthroughs for you. You will experience a breakthrough in your health, finances, career, business, marriage, relationships, spiritual walk, and all other areas that present a challenge. I declare that nothing about your life will remain the same and that you will receive everything you have been waiting and praying for. Favor and miracles. This is a time when God will amaze you with His goodness and favor. You will see your prayers answered. Do not give up. Never let go of the promise I'm feeling. Breakthroughs for you will be made easy by God's hand. Something you've been praying for is about to happen for you. You've learned enough lessons. God will complete everything He started in your life. The delay will be transformed into a miracle. God will sing a new song in your heart. You've had the patience and perseverance to get through a lot of hardships and obstacles. Nothing has broken you. You're still here. Staying firm now is the moment to begin reaping significant gifts that will change your life. You're about to enter a new season in which everything will begin to go your way. It's time you learned enough, worked hard, and overcome a lot because you believed in yourself. Now it's your turn to receive in a significant way. Type 1111 to confirm this. God occasionally wants to completely close a door before He can open doors to new possibilities. Perhaps you've had some doors. Despite everything, realize that God is calling you to fulfill His purpose in your life. He understands what it takes to bring order to your life. Believe Him. He is working on something, and everything around you will improve once He is finished. This month, God is going to accomplish something incredible in your life. I'm not sure what you've been praying for or what has caused your pillows to be wet, but I'm here to tell you that God has heard your prayers, His angels have been sent, and you will soon see your miracle. I'm going to say that your health will improve, you'll surprise the doctors, you'll get the job, and your job is to act and talk as though it will happen. If you're reading this with tears in your eyes, know that God is speaking directly to your wounded soul through it. You didn't just happen to stumble onto it. Walk by faith, not by sight. God guided you to it and wants you to know that He is providing for you at this very now. He is curing your illness, giving you a chance you have never had before, and mending your broken relationships. God is telling you today to get enthusiastic again and to remember that you are not alone in this. I am working on your issues. Keep your faith strong because your breakthrough is on the horizon. Type 222 to confirm this. I've already sent my angels to you, so relax and believe that I have a fantastic ending in store for you. In fact, that's why you should get excited again, because God is telling you that today, despite their attempts to prevent you from getting my best, promotions and blessings, I promised you that nothing could take away, block, or destroy you. Keep your faith that I'm going to shower you with blessings and begin to believe that things will improve, even if you don't mention it in your prayers. God hears the whispers in your heart. He might not grant them to you right away, but one day, when you least expect it, the best possible outcome will materialize. Because God loves you so much, He has not forgotten you and is now closer to you than you can ever know. The best is still to come for you. You don't sit around feeling bad about lost time and mistakes from the past. It's time to throw everything away and chase after God, who always knew you would end up here and had a plan to bring you out and guide you to your promised land. When Jesus seeks your face, He will begin to reveal His plan to you. He will lead you directly to the location He promised, and you will realize that He had it all along. Type 333. To affirms this, God is saying to you today, there is a shift coming that is going to push you into your destiny. Blessings are coming your way. I'm going to unleash a double portion of blessings and favor in our life. For all of the trials, tribulations, heartaches, and setbacks you may have endured, I have a blessing for you. If you're looking for reassurance today, this is it. You're going to be okay. I declare new blessings are about to overtake you. Every seed you have sown is about to create a new harvest of happiness and peace. Greater things and better days are coming your way. Just trust God, every blessing with your name on it. You'll receive every obstacle that stands in the way of your destiny. You'll overcome every enemy that rises up against you. You will defeat every word God has ever spoken over you. You will see manifest. You're about to receive the most unexpected blessing of your life. You're about to meet the reason why your soul had to garner all that patience, humility, and faith. You're about to experience the rare, unparalleled magic of a miracle. Just keep in mind that everything will change drastically in the near future. Your path is about to change for the betterment of your journey, so prepare your spirit as it gets ready to dive into the depths of a highly metamorphic chapter. Your recent growth is about to pay off in the most profound and wonderful way possible, if Ying Wei stays tuned. Type 444 to confirm that a new chapter in your life has just begun. You've finally learned how to be in control, which was the key you needed to find all along. You've changed in ways that only you and the universe could ever comprehend. This chapter isn't like the others. It's much greater. Breathe it all in. You're no longer approaching the realm of breakthroughs. You're standing directly in it. The amount of faith you possess now is vastly greater than any fear that may have once held you back. All the magic you have yet to discover will surprise you. Today marks the beginning of your dream chapter and the first day of your brand new life. A new you is born, an old era ends, and a new one begins magically. You get to choose when and how you want to start again. All it takes is one idea. One choice that will change your life forever is to make room for what lies ahead. Your dreams are triggered the instant you recognize your worthiness in reaching them. Don't let your own timeline get in the way. Clap your vision and make you feel as though you're not where you're supposed to be. The universe is working to prepare you for the blessings you've been seeking, and even if you got everything you've ever desired right now, there would still be aspects of your soul that don't feel satisfied. Although receiving your blessed bling is simple, the real magic lies in taking the time it takes to set it up. Take your time and enjoy every moment of your trip. It is meant to be appreciated, not rushed. Your future steps will become much clearer after you recognize this and enjoy your accomplishments. Type 555 to reinforce this. You have a lot to be proud of. The path you've walked has not been easy, but you've come a long way. There are still miracles to discover here, so don't let the magic of this moment go. Every phase of your life has a divine purpose. All of your breakthroughs are timed perfectly by God. Your journey is divinely planned at every turn. Acknowledge the trends in your life and realize that you have always been successful. The exceptional happens when fear transforms into faith. Get ready to be astounded by what the universe has planned for the future. The world is about to encounter you once more. Your efforts to improve your mind, body, and spirit over the course of many days, months, and years are going to pay off in every way as you manage to change your complete being with your increasing faith and inner power. A new version of yourself has emerged, and it is unstoppable. This new you is growing to unfathomable heights. The universe sees what's in your heart, and this new you is too busy being thankful for your blessings to be distracted by roadblock type 666 to confirm this. Keep your feet firmly planted in this version of yourself. It's the best one, but you are closer to a miracle than you may have thought. It could be easy to lose sight of the fact that all of your hard work, patience, and discipline are about to pay off. Divine opportunities are coming your way. You pray for what lies ahead and allow a sense of profound inner peace and relief to wash over you. Your soul child of God, that vision was correct. The promise was true. You're not crazy. Do you notice the warfare around you? It's proof of the promise. It's an indication that you're headed in the right direction. Keep the hope alive, cherished, and keep a departing child. Soon, supernatural doors will open for you from unexpected sources and with unexpected visitors. The Lord asks, "Are you ready, my child? This thing is so much bigger than you know. Stay in my presence as I ready your beautiful soul. It's coming. You're going to see why I had you waiting. See my glory, cry happy tears, and forget the pain of the past as I replace it with your lovely new beginning." The Lord declares that He wants you to understand that He is your God of divine events and that He will arrange for you to meet the right people and act in the right ways at the appropriate times.